Hi, this is Atif and you're watching my channel. I am posting here trading ideas and educational videos on different assets. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and also do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Now let's have a look on the Bitcoin's movement today. What the developments we have after the yesterday's drop. Yesterday the Bitcoin took some drop, and after that on 12-hour chart it has formed some harmonic pattern, which is indicating that the Bitcoin might take some bullish divergence from here now. And this is a live chart of Bitcoin. I'm taking you to the 12-hour chart, and this is the chart. I've just published this chart a few hours back, therefore I did not remove any drawing tools or patterns from this chart for your understanding. And we can see after this drop, the price action dropped up to almost $7,733. And after that, the price action took the bullish divergence and started the formation of bullish Cypher pattern and completed the bullish Cypher on this 12-hour chart. And we can see after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 exactly for the B to C leg of Cypher. And after that, we are having retracement between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci, which is exactly required for the C to D leg of Cypher pattern. And now the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone. Now we are having this spinning candle, which is indicating that the bearish trend is ended now. But if I place the MACD indicator, this is the MACD, then we can see the MACD on this 12-hour chart is still strong bearish. So if the MACD will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, then we will be confirmed that the price action can take the bullish divergence from this PRZ area or potential reversal zone of this Cypher pattern, like it was turned weak bearish here, and after that the price action took the bullish divergence, and after that the price action took again a drop and formed this Cypher completely. But if I place the stochastic indicator, this is the indicator, and we can see the stochastic has already given us a bull cross, so this is another indication that the price action can take the bullish divergence from here. And if I place the volume profile on this complete pattern, and this is a volume profile indicator, very important indicator I always use in my trades, and I'm just placing from X to D leg on the complete pattern. Now we can see that below this area, within this potential reversal zone, the traders are very less interested to trade at this level. So this is another confirmation that the price action will take the bullish divergence from here and hit this sell zone very soon. But the most powerful signal we have is the moving average, and that is 100 simple moving average. I'm just changing the time period of this moving average to 100. I'm just making it more visible for you. And if I'll turn it to the week chart, then we can see we have a strong support of this 100 simple moving average below this potential reversal zone, and the price action is getting bounced from here. So the bullish divergence can be more powerful. Even this bullish divergence can execute my previous trading idea, which I have posted on 4-day chart. Now let's move to that chart. And this is my 4-day chart I have published on 28th of September. I have also published a video on this chart on my YouTube channel. And on this chart you can see the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. We had a strong support on this 4-day chart of 200 simple moving average first, and the 100 simple moving average after that, just beneath this potential reversal zone, and the 200 moving average is between this potential reversal zone. And if I'll play the chart now, the price action is moving sideways and ready to take the bullish divergence as soon as possible. One more thing, you can see when I published this chart, the MACD was strong bearish and the stochastic did not give any bull cross. You can see I have also mentioned here that the stochastic is not oversold and in bear cross at that time. But now if we see on this live chart, on 4-day chart, we can see now the MACD is turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and now we have a bull signal or bull cross from the stochastic. So we have these confirmation on up to 4-day chart that the price action can take the bullish divergence, and even this idea can be executed very soon. So first, the price action is going to touch this level of between $8,283 up to $8,634, and if the price action will be successful to cross up this level of 0.786 Fibonacci of CD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 786 Fibonacci, and if the price action will cross up this complete area, then the price action will take more powerful bullish divergence, and after that the price action will hit this area from $9,058 up to almost $11,200. I've also shared the link of Tradingview in this video's description, so you will be able to watch these ideas on my Tradingview page. You just need to click on that link, and after that, when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select this people option from here, from this drop down, and after that you just need to write my username moon333 and click here. Then my page will be open and you will be able to find my all charts which I have published here. I'm also sharing the link of the best cryptocurrency trading exchange, Binance, in the video's description. If you don't have an account on Binance, you just need to click on that link, and after that you just create your account there and you can start your trading on Binance today. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel, and do share your comments and messages with me. Take care. Goodbye.